Sunday at the shop. Cup race just fired up. Got ourselves some clean space up there. Big news coming on the vet. We will do that with a video for Maurice's vet. We got the legendary Mazinga Radios Mustang. Gonna be doing a little bit of stuff on that tomorrow. Dooley's back there chilling. Randy the Rust Bucket's back over there. Getting the car prepped for next week. Gotta change the oil. Gonna put her on the scales. Maybe. Probably. Check some chip. And away we go. Yay, get to change valve springs. Green, green, green in the cup race. But yeah, valve springs. 602. Yay!